susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood. The queen bee, one must first weaken her defenses, destroy her workers. And what better way to do that than to start by taking down her first mind?
Alam ko naman kinilamang sa pagkawala niya. Kapag may nangyaring masama kay Gwen, papatayin kita.
Subukan mo.
They are demanding for you to stop the execution.
Cancel all my appointments and connect me to the Prime Minister as soon as possible.
Akala ko, mamamatay na ako sa gutom. Pero may isang babae na napakabait. Nakita niyo po ba yung babaeng yun? Yung angel niyo? Hindi na nga eh. Pero kung makikita ko siya ulit, yayakapin ko siya ng sobrang higpit. Kasi, kung hindi dahil sa kanya, baka wala ako ngayon dito.
Napainog mo kung lookin. Alam ko naman kinilamang sa pagkawala niya. Kapag may nangyaring masama kay Gwen, babalik sa ito. Papatayin kita.
And last but not least, Miss Morocco. Alright, congratulations everyone. You all did a good job in representing the different countries of the United Nations. Please take your seats. Also like to take this opportunity to thank our very own principal, Mr. Torres, for being here. It's an honor to have you here in class. That's why we have a special number for you. May I now call on Miss Princess Cruz to present a royal family greeting.
May tissue, baka mag-wait na siya.
Princess, I'm ba yung ika-play nating video? Okay, let me have it. Sige, i-connect natin yung tablet sa projector para mas makita nila. Okay? Okay, sige, i-play mo na yung video.
What? But my mom said wala nang royal family.
No. This is not happening.
Hello, Philippines.
Hello, world.
Hello, classmates.
And on behalf of my mother, the Queen,
and on behalf of the royal family of England, we would like to greet all the classmates of Princess a good morning.
And greetings to all the headmasters and mistresses too. And have a happy United Nations Day.
At laging tandaan, well, mga said, dapat
happy.
Hey. din ang sinasaktan at niluloko mo.
Sandali lang po. Gusto ko lang po mag-sorry pero nagsisinungaling po ako. Sila po ang mga kaibigan ko. Siya po si Kuya George at yan si Chef Elise. Hindi po royal family ang kasama ko. Ito po ang totoo. Sila po ang pamilya ko, kaya special po sila sa akin. Ako po ang prinsesa nila, at sila naman po ang royal family ko. Sila po ang pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay ko. May korona man o wala, maliliit man o malaki, Pilipino man o hindi, lahat ng family royal. Basta nagmamahalan po.
Magaling, Miss Cruz. Magaling.
Talaga po? But sir, how would you do this? She lied.
Sit down, Miss Stacy. Sit down. Don't interrupt me, okay? You asked her for a royal family, and she delivered. This child knows the true meaning of our United Nations Day. Hindi lang ito basta makapagsuot ng costume. Kantahan, sayawan. UN Day celebrates good relations as good as the essence of family. Miss Princess, maraming salamat sa iyo at ipinaalala mo ito sa amin, ha? Okay, palakpakan natin si Miss Princess. I said, palakpakan natin si Princess. Okay.
Huwag niyo pong payagang bitayin ng anak ko. Diyos ko, hindi ko man lang siya makikita at makakausap. Sana po ako na lang. Ako na lang po ang bitayin, huwag na ang anak ko. Pero di po ba, ililigtas niyo siya? Nangako po kayo sa akin. Parang awa niyo mo. Tulungan niyo na po kami. Madam, para po sa anak ko.
Then excuse me. Nasa video call na po si Prime Minister Ramon Pecha.
Nanay Doris, excuse me po. Doon po muna kayo sa kabilang kwarto. Portia, kasamahan mo muna si Nanay, please.
Ay, madam, may pag-asa pa po ba yung anak ko? Salamat.
Good morning, Mr. Prime Minister.
Good morning, Miss President Jacinto. It's a pleasure to see you again.
I wish I could say the same, but not with the given circumstance. Time is of the essence, Mr. Gamon, so let me get straight to the point. Minister, I am employing your good office to please hand over the case of Miss Gina Roque to our country. In a sensitive case such as this, a common ground of cultural and social understanding is needed to judge the case objectively.
Am I right to assume that you find our judgment subjective?
All judgments are subjective per se, sir. I just ask that you let a Filipino decide for a Filipino. If indeed she has done wrong, then let our government decide her fate.
I'm afraid the criminal offense has been committed in our land. The fate of your countrymen is therefore under our jurisdiction.
We've worked closely with your government for decades now. And we have a long-standing relationship of goodwill. Perhaps, through a form of exchange, you could let this exception.
Are you bargaining with me, Miss President Jacinto?
Yes, Mr. Prime Minister.
You amuse me with your calm, Miss President. But I am afraid this request will put out a negative message to the international community that we are favoring one country over the other. my position as Prime Minister will be compromised. I am sorry, Mr. President, that your request for Ms. Roque's freedom is denied.
You said you wanted to talk to me privately.
Mama!
Yes, Daphne. As usual, ginawan ko na naman ang paraan ng dapat sana ikaw ang tumabaho. Umpisahan ko na yan, ikaw na ang tumapos. This is now your responsibility. Trabaho mo na yan.
Pero Mama, si Rafael.
Daphne, walang kinalaman si Rafael dito. And Domingo will make it stay that way. Right, Domingo?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just so sick and tired of this sordid business. And for you, Daphne, it's really about time you got your hands dirty as well. As for me, tapos na ang trabaho ko. And I still have a lot of vermin to eliminate. Sobrang maraming ng peste dito sa palasyong ito.
Pagod po.
Pasensya ka na, Princess, kung hindi ako nakasama sa school mo. Ang dami lang problema na walang solusyon.
Bakit po walang solusyon?
Kasi kahit anong paliwanag ko, parang ayaw naman makinig sa akin ng kausap ko.
Baka po hindi marinig. Baka nagsasalita din po. Di sabihin niyo po, wait lang, walang unahan, relax lang, makinig muna.
Sana ganun lang kadali yun, no?
Di subukan niyo po. Kasabi po sa akin ni Chef Elise, ang puso, hindi inuunahan. Kausapin niyo po ng may puso.
How much time do we have left?
Madam, 5 minutes po.
Turn on the TV. Connect me with the Prime Minister now.
Madam, you're on.
Prime Minister.
President Fiona, you are too late. The decision of our courts?
Prime Minister, please. Let me speak first.
I have to make a public announcement in a few minutes.
Minister, please. Listen. My father has always taught me to trust my heart. So I'm doing away with all the reasoning and pretenses. And all I have to convince you is a show of heart. Now, I cannot do anything should you decide to take the life of Miss Gina Roque. But please know that she is no different from me.
What do you mean?
Gina Roque is a Filipino, like I am. She stood up for her family as I have. She's a friend, a sister, a daughter to a loving mother. Now they will lose her without even seeing her or embracing her for the last time. Now what sentence could be more cruel to those she leave behind? And Miss Gina Roque, in her own regard, has always been like a mother to her ward, Tuk Prang. You see, Mr. Prime Minister, in our country, a mother will die for her child. We will give up everything, even our own lives, to those we dearly love and those we consider family, by blood or otherwise. So I'm begging you, please, Mr. Prime Minister, I beg of you, have a change of heart. Prime Minister, please, let my countryman go.
Filipinos. You are all hard. But my decision...
Ano nangyari? Connect niya agad. Bilis. Madam! Madam! Pagawin niyo po siya, Panginoon. Kung po siya mamamayaan. Parang
Ayon sa Thai government, nagising na po ang Royal Assistant na si Tuk Prang, ang alagang sinaktan umano ng Filipino OFW na si Gina Roque na magkamalay ang bata. Agad niyang hinanap ang laylay Gina niya sa panayam ng mga otoridad na pag-alamang aksidente ang naganap sa bata. Patunay na inosente po ang kababayan nating si Gina. Agad binaway ng gobyerno ng Thailand ang parusa nitong pitay kay Gina Roque. Ligtas na po at malaya ang ating kababayan.
Salamat, madam. Maraming pong salamat. Maraming pong salamat, madam. Maraming pong salamat. On behalf of all the Filipinos, thank you. You have my undying gratitude.
And I owe you my apologies. Since everything has all been a misunderstanding. It is true what you said. The child has been loved for your countrymen as real mother would. I like how you rule, Mr. President. Such care for your constituents, not one indispensable. I hope to work with you in the near future. I'd like to experience this sense of nation and community firsthand.
Looking forward to it, Prime Minister. Thank you. Colonel, I've been informed that the President's health has been compromised lately. Hindi ba qualified yan na national emergency kung hindi naagapan? Ako na po. Hindi, wag na. Ako na. Nay. Wag na sabi!
Ay, sabihin mo, trabaho ko magluto. Baka mamaya pagalitan ako kung bibili pa kayo. Baka sabi na hindi na. Eh sabi na, kunin na eh.
Ayoko na po. Madam, dito ko na lang po ipapalagay ang lahat ng regalo. Para po sa inyo. Pwede niyo na po sa makalawa.
Kapag po ba ito sa Pangulo? Wala kami natatanggap na yung incident report tungkol dyan.
May first-hand account ang isa sa mga tawag na Colonel. In behalf of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, I hereby relieve you from your post. You're dismissed from the palace, Colonel.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.